Hey everyone, welcome back to Code the Row. In this video, we're going to be going over how to import animations from Synty Studios over to Unreal Engine. Pretty simple to do, so let's go ahead and jump in and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually just go ahead and download the animation sword combat that Synty has. It is currently $60, and if you want to support my channel, feel free to use my affiliate link in the description below. So they do come with really high quality animations that can easily be imported for Synty. I'm just going to go ahead and download it. And since I do have the Synty pass, I'm just going to go ahead and download the source files themselves. And once I extract the zip, I'm going to go into my source file folder. Let's go into Unreal Engine and let me just create a new folder. I'll just call this, actually I already have a Synty folder. So I'll go ahead into there and just create a new folder called Sword Anims just for the purpose of this tutorial. And then I'll go ahead and the first thing I just like to do is just import that texture. I get that over there out of the way. Go ahead and create this material. And then I want to go ahead and import a model. So I generally just do this one at a time. In this case, I'm just going to select the modular Synty character, click import. It's going to go ahead and import the model itself and the skeleton, as we can see over here, called the modular Synty character skeleton. I'm going to double click to open the model and actually go ahead and just assign it this material that we have over here. So just assign it and the colors are going to look fine. Go ahead and hit Control Save, and I can go ahead and exit that out. And now it'll appear like that in game. And now what I want to do is go back to my source file folder, go into animation, and you can try Polygon and Sidekick, but because of the way the skeleton is set up, Sidekick will work for me. And I can go ahead and just import everything as I want to. I can actually just go ahead and drag and drop this entire Sidekick folder. And I want to do, let's see, I'm going to select the skeleton and choose that modular Synty character skeleton. And then I'm going to make sure import only animations is checked. And yes, it is. And now I'll go ahead and click import. Now it's going to import every single animation and go through it. So there's over 100 animations. And let me just get back to you once this is all imported. And one thing that I like is because I did drag and drop the entire folder itself, the exact naming structure will be imported as so it is neatly organized. And that's one thing I love about Synty. They really do a good job just neatly organizing all their animations. So I'm going to go into the attack. Let's go into the heavy combo, and I can go ahead and just, I'll hit Control Shift Save to save all. And I can simply just go ahead and drag these out just to see how they look when displayed and so on. And you can pretty much just do this with any animations that you want to go. So I'm going to go ahead and simulate, and we can see all the animations playing, and it is correctly working. So that looks great. And let's say I wanted to, let's say there was something wrong with my animation. I would say just try the other one. So for example, I did use Sidekick for this skeleton because that's what works. If I went into Polygon and actually assigned it, let's say this skeleton as well. So let's go ahead and make sure the modular Synty character skeleton is checked, and I go ahead and import. You're going to see that the character comes off really wobbly, really messed up. It's just not working exactly how it's supposed to. And yeah, pretty much that covers the tutorial. Just make sure that you are importing for the proper skeleton. If not, it's really easy. Just I would say import one animation at a time just to double check that you are importing the correct animation, Sidekick, or Polygon for the correct skeleton you have already imported. Thanks for watching Code the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below. What you want to see next. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.